we have manufactured just a small production run of the GamePhrames just because we never made a board game before. So this is one of the very first that's ever been opened.
Ooh, excited to see what this looks like.
We're kind of excited, yeah. Oh, look at this.
We spent all this time designing it, and now we get to see it, the actual thing.
Oh, I love the colors. So we kind of made the borders a little bit whiter here than they were originally, and that came off really nicely. Yeah,
I really like this blue and this yellow and blue.
Yeah, I think
contrast.
I think it worked out quite well.
GamePhrame. Look at that.
Beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
So we went with a black and white logo. Nobody ever does that.
It looks so cool printed.
We made everything else colorful, but not the logo. So inside, you'll see. Right. Oh, look at this! Oh, right on the front is the instructions.
That's nice and sturdy.
Yeah, that looks good.
Great.
Okay. No lines. Oh, look at this! Very sharp. Very nice.
This is yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This looks really good.
That's nice and secure, so it's not all. I had this worry that all the pieces would start falling out as we opened it up. But that's nice.
Oh, that's a good thick box. That's exactly what I was looking for. Okay. Oh, yeah. Good. All right. I'm going to open this up.
It's like ripping up the gift wrap.
Yeah.
Oh, shiny.
Nice.
It's nice and glossy. I wasn't expecting that. It looks really good.
Yeah. Well, we've used these guys a lot, so I wasn't surprised that it was high quality. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, it does. Look at that. Oh, it's so nice. Look at
It
this.
reminds me of when I got a set of wooden bricks to play with.
Yeah.
They smell just like
Oh, they
this.
sound great. And they make that little noise. I love that sound. It's cool. All right. I don't know if you can see this, but you can see. Did they put? Yeah, they put the little wall hangers on the back, but they also put the little silicone feet there so that we designed it that way so that you can sit on any table and you won't scratch it up. But you can also look at that. So we try to move it. Look at that. It's all wobble proof. This is gonna be great. So you got all the different sides printed. Nice glossy coat on it. Oh, looks great.
Yeah.
Really nice print job. Very, very pleased. This has been a lot of work to get to this point.
I really like the glossy finish on these.
Yeah. Oh, look at the GamePhrame. It's got the little logo there in the bottom. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. That's probably enough.
Excellent. Yeah.